Probstats kids, this is Dr. Callahan for week 18 Tuesday. How are you guys doing? Go ahead and pause the following video and answer the questions. There are 3 of them. Keep in mind your warm-up log is going to be due on week 19 Friday, so that is definitely coming up. Okay, so for today, you guys have a to-do list. So the topic is going to be on converting bases other than 10. And if you're like, I don't understand what this is talking about, you need to watch the videos from week 17 Friday and week 18 Monday to kind of get yourself caught up. So first thing I want you guys to do is to check in on MS Team under week 18 Tuesday and watch the video. So if you're watching this video right now, you should be good to go. But go to MS Team. Your attendance will also be taken that way. Second, I want you to complete objective number 6 and 7 in your white guided notes. And so that one actually looks like this. Give me 1 second, let me pull that up. Still here, don't worry, I'm just pasting this on there. Okay, so it looks like objective 6 like this, and then objective 7 that looks like this. So if you're like, okay, I don't understand how you get these answers, well, let me just go ahead and go over one with you guys. So looking at, let's go over number 5. Okay, so your base is 6, so you have 3, 0, 2, 5. So your base is going to be 6 to the 0, 6 to the 1, 6 squared, 6 to the third. So what you do in this case is you're going to take the numbers times the base and the power. So 2 times 6 squared, 0 times 6 to the 1, and then 5 times 6 to the 0 power. So then from there, you want to make sure you go ahead and multiply it out. So 6 to the third is going to give you 216, 36, 6, and 1. So 3, 2, 0, 5. Okay, so then 3 times 216 is going to give you a 648 plus 36 times 2 is a 72, 0, and then 5. So then all together, 725 is your grand total. So now that I've shown you guys how to do number 5, you guys go ahead and do 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's take a look at example or objective number 7. So how do you go ahead and do the reverse of this? And again, you want to watch your week 18 Mondays video if you're not quite sure how to do this. So I'm going to start off with number 9. So you want to convert a base of 4. So I'm going to start at 4, 0, 4, 1, 4 squared, 4 third, 4 to the 4th, which is 1, 4, 16, 64, and then 256. And quite frankly, given the fact that my number is at 205, I can just stop right here, cross that one out because that number is too big, and I start with 64. So you have 205 divided by 64, okay? Well, 64 can go into 205 at least 3 times. So going back to 4th grade, when you're subtracting, your remainder is going to be 13. So then I'm going to repeat this process one more time. 13 divided by, what's the next number after 64? It's 16. Well, 16 is too big of a number, so I'm going to put in a 0. 16 times 0 is 0. So I still have 13. And I'm going to repeat this process one more time. What's the next number after 16? It's 4. And guess what? 4 is actually a small attempt number. 3, which gives me a 12, and that's a 1. So I'm going to repeat this one more time. The next number from 4 is a 1. So 1 times 1 is a 1. And your remainder is 0. So your answer is 4, 0, 3, and 1. So you're just going to write down that number as 3031. And don't forget your base, which is 4. And this is your answer right here. All right, you guys, make sure you guys complete number 8 and 10 in your white guided notes. And that is basically it. So then when you're done with first part, the second part, then I want you guys to go to the third part, which is go to this link for the quizzes. It's a summary of your final for this class for prop and stats. And then after that, you're going to go to this part here where it says, why do we use correlation statistics? Make sure you watch that video. How to effectively study for the final exam, and why do we use correlation statistics. And then lastly, go ahead and pick 10 vocab words from this Quizlet, and then create flashcards, or make sure you pick 10 that you don't know how to do. Here is your exit ticket. And other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Take care.